Welcome to Day 20 of our Professional Transformation Roadmap. Today we are focusing on mastering meeting preparation in Microsoft Teams using the power of Copilot. We have moved past the basics of Copilot Chat. Today, we integrate AI into your daily meeting preparation to build more efficient systems for the future. Compare traditional prep, which can take hours of reviewing transcripts and writing agendas from scratch, with Copilot. Copilot reads files and drafts agendas in just 45 minutes. Use the / command in Copilot Chat to connect your files. Simply type the / symbol, search your Microsoft 365 files, and select the relevant past meeting document. To get the perfect output, use the prompt formula equation. Include your ask, the target audience, the desired format, the appropriate tone, and any necessary constraints. See the difference a good prompt makes. Vague requests lead to generic results, while specific prompts provide clear, executive-ready outputs that save you significant time. Always treat Copilot's output as a draft. While it is a fast starting point, remember it does not provide professional legal or HR advice, so you must review all facts and figures. Apply the human polish to your work. Read the draft. Identify any repeated mistakes, update your original prompt accordingly, and run it again to refine the output. Once you find a prompt that works, save it in a shared space like a team wiki or OneNote. This allows your entire team to benefit from proven, efficient processes. Follow this continuous preparation loop. Select notes with a /, apply the prompt formula, generate your draft, polish the facts, and save your successful agenda and prompt. Track your time savings to measure your wins. Spend 30 minutes today testing your new prompt formula with a real meeting transcript to see the results for yourself.